guys! Welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So in today's video, gagawa tayo ng Polygel nails na custom colored with eyeshadow powder. It was suggested by Honey G on my Polygel mix with chalk video kung saan nagmix ako ng chalk powder to make colored Polygel. I'm also curious kung mag-work din ba siya the same sa chalk, so let's find out. So now I'm doing the prepping step. The usual na ginagawa ko is first use a cuticle pusher using both sides to push back the cuticle and scrape some dead skin if any, and then gagamit naman ako ng nail drill to further clean that area to avoid lifting. After gawin yan sa lahat ng ating nails, kukuha naman ako ng file to lightly buff the natural nails para maayos yung kakapitan ng gel mamaya. I also apply a nail dehydrator and primer, applying the nail dehydrator first on every nail. And then the primer. Once all the prepping's done, ihahanda ko na yung mga materials na gagamitin natin. So we will be needing clear Polygel or white, and then the eyeshadow. In this nail set, gusto ko gumawa ng different shades of red and gold, so ito yung pinili kong color. So kuha lang tayo ng small amount ng powder, enough to color the Polygel. Ito yung gagamitin ko as containers for each color na paghahaluan ko ng Polygel. Hindi ko siya kailangan na malaki kasi I will make short almond nails as suggested by 11 Austria. So small amount of Polygel lang for one color yung kakailanganin natin. I'm not sure kung anong ratio ng powder to Polygel ang magiging effective in this set kasi in my previous sets, binibase ko lang yung dami ng powder na imimix ko sa experience ko dati in making colored Polygel. Pero this time, ibang powder siya compared sa chalk and pigment powder na meron ako, so baka iba rin yung ratio na kailangan in making this custom Polygel work. After natin makakuha ng enough powder to color our Polygel, pwede na tayo mag-mix. Maglalagay lang ako ng small glob of Polygel enough to make 1 or 2 nails. So napansin ko while mixing, iba siya ng texture compared sa powdered chalk. Itong eyeshadow parang baby powder yung type niya kasi medyo nagdidikit-dikit sila kaya nahirapan din ako mag-mix, unlike kasi sa chalk, mabilis siyang kumalat and mas madaling i-mix compared dito. So ready na yung Polygel natin. I like the color variety, so let's start by applying first the base coat. After that, i-ready na natin yung other materials like paper towels, lip solution, and brush before putting on the forms kasi once the forms are on, medyo mahihirapan tayo kumilos lalo na I'm using my non-dominant hand. So it's not as sticky as I expected kasi every time na nagmi-mix ako ng Polygel, naiiba yung consistency niya the more na minimix ko. Pero in this one, di siya ganon nag-stick sa brush pero mas soft siya kaya medyo nahirapan din ako i-form yung Polygel ng maayos. I think na parami yung lagay ko ng Polygel for the base layer, so tinuloy ko na lang siya hanggang sa cuticle area since short length lang naman siya. So this is after a 1-minute cure and I don't think fully cured siya. So ilagay pa natin siya under the lamp for another minute. So I let it cure for I think 3 minutes pero di ko pa rin feel na fully cured siya. Yan, as you can see, di siya nag-harden. Yung underside ng nails is gel pa rin. And I think dahil yan sa ratio ng powder and polygel. Importante talaga yung ratio in custom coloring kasi ready-made na yung clear polygel na ginamit natin. Di siya necessarily built para i-mix pa with other powders. Luckily, nag-work siya with chalk pero in this powder, I don't think mag-cure siya fully with that ratio. So what we're gonna do is try natin with less powder. Tanggalin muna natin tong nail na to kasi di na talaga siya mag-harden kahit ilang minutes ko pa ilagay under the lamp. And mag-mix ulit tayo ng clear polygel with a tiny amount of the previous polygel we used. So before natin siya i-apply sa ating nails, itry muna natin if mag-cure ba on a fake nail. So after 1 minute under the lamp, tinest ko if cured na ba siya using a cuticle pusher and tinap ko lahat ng sides baka kasi may uncured portion. Pero all in all, na fully cured na naman siya. Kaya pwede na tayo mag-apply sa ating nails. Ito yung thumb ko after malagyan ng polygel, gumawa muna ako ng manipis na layer to make sure na mag-cure siya. And luckily, nag-harden naman siya kaya maglalagay ako ng next layer until mabuo natin yung tamang thickness. Since short nails lang naman to, di natin siya kailangan kapalan ng todo. Mag-encapsulate din tayo ng glitters as a design. Ihahalo ko siya sa natirang powder para mag-blend ng maayos yung glitters. And gagamit ako ng base coat para dumikit siya ng maigi sa ating nails. So I want to see kung ano magiging kalabasan ng nail na to para ma-envision ko for the rest of the nails, kaya isi-shape na natin siya using this file. So this was actually the next day kasi medyo late na nag-start ako ng filming and medyo napagod din ako sa mixing and putting the polygel kahit sa thumb lang siya kasi kinailangan ko din alisin yung polygel na di na-cure. Kaya ito yung the next day of trying out this nail hack. Tinapos ko muna yung thumb ko before starting to film the next day to see if mag-work ba siya kasi kung hindi, dun ka na sana tatapusin yung video. Pero thankfully, nag-harden siya with that ratio. Kailangan lang talaga mas konti yung powder na imimix mo with the polygel. Pero the case may be different for other eyeshadow powders. Baka kasi iba-iba sila ng formulation, so baka iba yung results for others. Since nag-mix ako ng additional clear polygel sa colored one, yung texture niya ay mas naging builder gel type. And for me, mas mahirap mag-work with builder gel than polygel. Kaya natagalan talaga ako sa set na to kahit short nails lang siya. I was thinking kung magkakaroon ba ako ng day 3 of filming pero buti na lang natapos ko siya within that day. So ito na yung nails ko after malagyan lahat ng polygel. For my ring finger, naglagay din ako ng glitters as a design. Kaya ngayon, pwede natin alisin yung forms and then pwede na tayo mag-file ng nails. Don't forget to also apply alcohol or cleanser plus to remove the sticky layer before filing. After filing and buffing, ito na yung ating nails. Medyo nadainan ko yung pag-file sa ring fingernail kaya natanggal yung isang chunk ng glitters and naging see-through din yung color ng polygel sa middle finger. So before natin lagyan ng top coat, gawa muna tayo ng patchwork on these nails. For the middle finger, nagmix ako ng gel polish to the same color ng polygel. So i-apply natin siya using this brush. After fixing those nails, pwede na natin sila lagyan ng top coat. And lastly, don't forget to apply cuticle oil. So these are my nails. I have to say, isa ata to sa pinaka-challenging nail set kasi it took me 2 days and ang daming trial and error sa paggawa. I think isa talaga yun sa dapat mong asahan when you're trying out a nail hack. Pero nakaka-surprise kasi ang ganda ng kinalabasan niya. Honestly, along the process, nagdadalawang isip na ako kung i-scratch out ko tong video na to kasi baka di siya mag-work, hindi maganda yung kalabasan. Tsaka kasi meron na rin akong videos na ginawa pero di in-upload kasi fail. But for this one, worth it talaga lahat. I think nag-complement yung almond shape sa colors niya, that's why I like it. So thank you for the ones who suggested the ideas for this video and I hope you also like how it turned out. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.